Labas kahapon ng pahayag si General Anyono dahil idinawit yung pangalan niya ni Junvic Remulla na isa daw siya sa nagplano para madakip si Pangulong Duterte. Pero may salaysay siya kahapon na hindi daw siya kasali sa nagplano para madakip si Pangulong Duterte. So sino dapat palinawalaan natin, mga kugmuhon, no? Parang hindi ko na, para sa akin hindi na ako naniniwala sa ang gobyerno natin ngayon. Parang nilalaro na nila ang ating mga isipan ba, no? Wala nang puro kasilungalingan na lang ang nangyayari ngayong panahon na ito. So sino nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanila? But before ko i-play ang video, guys, please follow sa ating Facebook page Kugman Reaction Vlog, sa ating TikTok account Kugman Reaction Vlog, at sa ating YouTube account Kugman Reaction Vlog. So hindi natin patatagalin to, guys. Panoorin na natin ang video. Play video.
The National Security Council. Thus, I'd like to state for the record that my role was limited to the mandate of my office to assess that the situation does not escalate into a national security concern. The implementation of the ICC warrant is beyond my mandate, and I had no part in it. And may I also state for the record that I am not aware of any core group, nor am I a member of such group that allegedly planned and prepared for the arrest of former President Duterte. In fact, it was only on Tuesday morning, March 11, 2025, that I learned that there was already an Interpol red notice and that the ICC warrant of arrest would be served. There was also no intelligence operation. The former president's presence in Hong Kong, as well as his return to the country, was a public knowledge since it was heavily reported in both mainstream and social media. It is utterly unacceptable and unfair that my name is being dragged into an alleged grand conspiracy. I firmly deny any allegations of a grand conspiracy. In fact, the events in March 11 were spontaneous. As National Security Advisor, I was merely doing my job. However, I face all these accusations against my honor and integrity with firm resolve, knowing that I am on the side of the truth, and I was simply doing what I had to do. And in doing so, I upheld the truth, justice, and the rule of the law. Again, my loyalty is always to the country, to the Constitution, and not to any person. Thank you, Madam Chair.